Hey guys. Okay, so today for math, what we're going to do is review some numbers to 100. So I'm going to put a number up on the screen and I want you to say the number out loud. Um, Tomorrow we are going to practice saying the number that comes next. But today all I want you to do is say the number that you see on the screen out loud, and then I'm going to tell you the number after a few seconds. All right, here we go. 4, 50, 19, 7, 9, 5, 10, 64, 81, 19, 99, 17, 14, 50, 37, 12, 8, 1, 79, 6, 21, 65, 32, 29, 42, 49, 0, 71, 51, 34, 96, 38, 20, 3, 54, 86, 80, 12, 44, 16, 28, 33, 98, 22, 46, 14, 73, 48, 51, 90. All right, guys, so that was it for identifying our numbers. And now what we're going to do is practice starting at a random number and counting up until we get to another number. So you guys should have done this yesterday for one of your math assignments. And so we're going to do it all together. So I want you to start at 10 and count until you get to 30. So go ahead and do that out loud. I'm going to give you some time, and then we're going to do it all together. So go ahead and start at 10. So 10, 11, keep going. Okay, guys, let's do it together. So let's start at 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And we'll stop there. Good job, guys. Okay, guys, so our next one, we're going to start at the number 40, and we're going to stop at 55. So I want you to start at 40 and go ahead and count yourself, and then we'll do it together. So 40, 41, keep going. Okay, guys, let's do it together. So we're going to start at 40. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. All right, good job, you guys. Okay, here's our next one. You're going to start at 51 and stop at 73. So y'all are going to do it first by yourself, and then we'll do it all together. So go ahead and start 51, 52. Keep going. Okay, guys, let's do it all together. So we're going to start 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73. Good job, guys. We've got one more. Here is our very last one, and it's a short one. You're going to start at 95 and stop when you get to 100. So go ahead and do it yourself. 95, 96. Keep going. All right, guys, let's do it all together. 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Awesome job, you guys. That was great number practice that we did today. Don't forget to keep practicing counting to 100 by ones and by tens at home. Good job, guys.